So what are we doing today, Arya? So we're gonna play and make something out of these foam stickers. What do we have? We've got, okay, what do we have? Animals. Okay, so we have animals here. And then what else do we have? We have butterflies and bugs. Okay, what else? And we have... Oh, we have sea animals. Oh, we got an octopus, seahorse. We got fishes. And we're gonna put them on here. So we're gonna make something.
Mine is a star.
Yeah. We're gonna do one with all the animals, put them in a farm, and a sea. So we're gonna make a background for all the animals, and Arya's gonna make grass right now, and she's just putting glue everywhere. Put them everywhere.
My right is chocolate.
Yeah, you can make anything you want. We're just putting glue so it sticks to this.
And that.
Enough? Okay. So this is what we have, and then Arya is gonna put all her stickers on there. This is where all the animals are gonna go, right? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so should we start with a house? So we're gonna do the barn. So you wanna stick it.
What are you doing, Mom?
So you wanna stick it somewhere here. Where is the house gonna live? Here, put it, Arya. Where's the house gonna live? Okay, so we got the house there. And then what other animal do you wanna do?
I know this one.
You wanna do that one? Okay. And then what animals do we have? So we have a pig. A pig, oink, oink. Okay, what does a pig say?
Oink.
Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, what is this? Is this a cat? Is this a cat? Meow.
Oh no, I don't know.
Oh, and we have, what is this? A rooster.
What is that?
What else do we have? Oh, we have a cow. Should we do the cow?
What is that?
What is what?
This
That's a cat.
Is it in here?
Yeah, you can put it there. Where else do you want to put it? Okay, what's that one?
Cow.
Cow. What does the cow say? Moo. Oh, the cow's gonna go there. Okay, so we're gonna put the cow right there. Ooh, very nice. So what other farm animals do we have? We have so many to choose from. What else do you want to have? Should we put more cats? More cats. We're gonna go add some. Oh, what is that? Is that a ladybug? Should we put some, what do you think? Should we put a ladybug in here? And we got some butterflies. So we added some butterflies. Oh, you wanna put the butterfly there? Okay, where else? This one. Put the butterfly right here on the sky. Oh, that's beautiful. We got a green butterfly. What else? Arya, here. Oh, she's putting more butterflies. We've got yellow, orange. Ooh, very pretty. And a red butterfly. So what's the colors?
One, red,
Yeah. Yellow
yellow, green,
and orange. So we've got, she's gonna put a ladybug. Ladybug. Okay, what else? What else do you want to put? Ooh, a pig. Pig. Okay, we got another pig. What does a pig say?
oink, oink.
Oink, oink. And we've got, what is that? A cat? What does a cat say?
Meow,
Meow. And we have, what is this? A rooster. What does a rooster say?
meow.
Cock-a-doodle. And what is that one? I'm not really too sure about. I'm not really too sure what that is. A chicken?
No, a dinosaur.
A dinosaur? I don't think that looks like a dinosaur. Does it look like a dinosaur, guys?
Yeah.
Does it belong in the barn?
No, it's bungle.
Oh, the jungle. Okay, and last one. What does the sheep say?
Mama.
Bah.
Ah.
Okay, Aria wants to put more butterflies. And I think this is a dragonfly. Wow, that's beautiful. That's a pink one, and we got an orange, purple one. And then what else do we have? Oh, pink. Pink and green butterflies. Okay, let's see the finished product. You want to show everyone?
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Okay, should we do our
Me.
sea animals? Now we're gonna do our sea animals, and then we're gonna put it on the sea, this blue paper. So we now we have our seaweed. So where does that go? Like here? Right here, Aria.
Oh.
Put it right here. Aria, right here. We're gonna put it right here. Okay, now put the other ones.
Where?
No, right here. Oh, that's so beautiful. There, and then we have another one.
Wait, here?
No, put it right here. Yeah, beautiful. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. So we're gonna go get the, what is that?
A whale.
Dolphin. Where's the dolphin? Let me see. Wow. What color is the dolphin? Is that blue or
No
black?
gray. No
Gray?
gray.
Like a dark, dark gray. And then we've got another dolphin. Ooh, he's upside down. And then another blue dolphin. Blue dolphin. Oh, I think they're like doing a dance.
In water.
Yeah, water. They're in the water. And then we're gonna do, oh, a whale. That is a cute whale. Okay, what else do we have? What is that? Oh, a fish. What color is that fish? Orange?
And black on the right.
Yeah. I'm gonna put another whale. Oh, that is beautiful, Aria.
And then there's the tiny fish.
There's a yellow fish.
No, the tiny fish.
Oh, a baby fish. Is that a baby fish?
Yeah.
We got another baby fish.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, and then what else? Oh, that's beautiful. They're swimming up.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, another whale. Wow.
Yeah.
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 Another fish.
Oh, baby.
And then, Aria, this one. Now what else do we have? Okay, we got red and purple with their mom. Is that their mom?
Yeah.
Is their mommy? Okay. The purple one? Wow. Okay, what's last? Oh, she doesn't like it there. Oh, are they hugging? No. And last, we've got, ooh, octopus. And we've got another octopus. Okay, let's see what you've done. Okay, let's see. So we've got some dolphins, some small fish, some big fish. We've got a whale and some octopus.
Like baby this.
Oh, that's very beautiful, Aria. Are you happy with everything that you did? Oh, I think she's gonna try to do something. Oh, she wants to move the sheep. Okay, say bye everyone.
Bye.
Please
Subscribe.